are a food ingredient company which is also present in the animal feed industry. Currently, our main priority is our enzyme products. So it's all going into the poultry. Well, Kerry is located globally, all around the world. 150 manufacturing plants in over 150 countries. India, we have a lactose plant for pharmaceuticals. We have a flavor plant, 4 to 5 manufacturing plants. So 4 to 5 plants here in India. In Malaysia, we have like 5 plants as well. So you can see us everywhere. We're very big in the food industry.